See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
We are back in the garden. You see, Wike didn't obey court order. You can see they are destroying everything now. They are destroying the water fountain. Done with over 900 to 1 billion naira has gone on this land, on this garden. Over 12 years. How can someone just come and not obey court order and seize everything? See now they have brought tractor, destroy our swimming pool, destroy all the fountain, all the walkway for the garden. You can see what is happening.
Wike, it is a good thing for you to obey court order.
Why wouldn't someone obey court order?
That will stand as an example.
You went to the industrial court to get court order against civil servants.
But you are not obeying.
But you are not obeying court order here. Look, now you have brought tractor destroying our things, destroying the swimming pool. Nigerians, how do we explain this? And they want you to come to Nigeria and invest your money. How can you invest after 12 years? This place was a thick forest. Now you don't enter his eyes.
Even that place, criminals used to follow all of that place. They snatch people's bags, rob people.
Yeah.
Now taking it upon to develop the place.
Well, how can someone be this wicked?
Just come around
and destroy everything
and start destroying things.
No. What have we done to you? Why?
We are not saying don't develop Abuja, but the one that belongs to people.
You don't destroy people's things.
You don't destroy people's property.
You not brought Caterpillar tractor to come and be destroying this place. And why? This
government is looking into it, and there is a court order.
There is a court order.
And you disobey.
So you are disobeying court order. See,
that's crazy.
Nigerians, see, disobeying court order, removing the fountain. You see, they are disobeying court order. There is court order on this place. They've destroyed everything. You can see. Look at what is going on. We had a protest. They still don't listen. They are destroying everything. Look, everything has been destroyed. Everything is destroyed. Can you see? See the rubbles. See, 1 billion naira gone. Just like that. And they say court is the last hope of common man. How can court be the last hope of common man? This is happening. Can you see? How can court be our last hope?
This is so wicked.
Look at the amount of investment here. Fountain, for park, for recreation, is now being destroyed by one man that just wants to take over Abuja. A place created for man for recreation.
Yes.
What do we do? How can a country develop in this manner? This is evil. This is evil. Evil. You want civil servant to obey your court order, but you don't obey court order. So the judges is for the rich, not for the poor. Look at what he has done. Everywhere destroyed. When Fubara stood against you, you are angry. But you are using your power against other people.
You are not obeying anything.
You are not obeying any court order.
Lay good example.
Lead by example. Waiting, people see there is court order. This place used to be a thick forest. People used to buy here before, buy people inside this forest. This forest has been cleared and turned to recreation. See, they've destroyed the recreation. They've removed all the interlock. Everything destroyed. Pack all the interlock away. Is this a country? There was a country. There was a country. Look at the investment destroyed in our very own eyes. Look, is he encouraging to come and invest in Nigeria? Is this encouraging? Is this good, Mr. President? Look at this. A green area sold, now destroyed with court order. In a country where get king, where get queen. Egbami o, Wike o, Egbami o, Wike, what we do you now? This is not fair. Fear God, court order. So you don't obey court. So court is not a place you obey and you run to court on Monday.
Already a goatee.
Abi,
Wike na go to you.
Àbí?
Go to you.
Àbí o.
Wike na go to you. Ọmọ ẹran ẹ bá wa wo kò lọ. Ọmọ ẹran.
Destroying people's place.
That's how you destroy people's
Very
property.
wicked. God day.
Wicked.
We go back to the court. God day. Power today. The Egyptian we see today.
We shall see them no more.
We shall see them no more. Another government will come in. And they will take this garden back.